What is up, everybody? Over here walking, and I kind of want to talk to you guys about having like a purpose and stuff. Now, this is something that really helped out with my depression and anxieties, and kind of having an idea of what I'm going to be doing and just kind of figuring it out, especially after resigning. It's like, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? So I just wanted to talk to you guys about that today. So if you're having issues, maybe I can help out, you know? The main thing that really helped me out and really started working was really finding a drive to go do something. If you just sit around at the house and just, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What's going on? How do I do this? And it'll just drive you nuts. The easiest thing is to find a passion that you like. And a lot of us are here because of motorcycles. So maybe jump into that. And that's kind of what I did. And it made me practice more. It turned into something to where I started teaching, and now I'm gonna become an MSF rider coach. So I kind of went down this path, and it's not really a path of least resistance. So that's something that everybody does. We pretty much pick the easiest option. I never thought I'd be an MSF rider coach. I never thought I was gonna do that. I never thought I wanted to do that. I even said I didn't. But the one thing I like doing is teaching you guys and making you safe. And so I thought about that, and I was like, why? You know, why was I a firefighter? Why do I want to, like, why are my YouTube videos different than others? You know, why am I making these things? So I started asking why? And I was like, well, I liked helping people when I was a firefighter. You know, I loved that part of the job. I loved the fact that I was solving problems for other people, making them feel safe, making them, you know, happier, solving a problem. So when I started making these YouTube videos, I started feeling better about myself. I was like, yeah, I'm solving some problems. I got comments like, you helped me with my test. You know, I feel safer. Thank you for helping me pick out a helmet, all these things. And I started liking that. And then when I resigned, I was like, man, what am I gonna do? And I started doing this full time and started really pumping out the videos to help out and put more of a direct emphasis on safety. And I got the same satisfaction as I was a firefighter. I got the same satisfaction. I was like, I'm helping people. So when I say have a purpose and have a drive, it's not like, okay, well, go pick a profession. Go pick something. Become a rider coach. Go to work. No, it's like, find out why. Find a why. Like, what is it that you truly like? And I truly want to help people. So that's my drive. How do I make that happen? That's my why. How do I make that happen? I don't have to do motorcycle riding or stuff. I could go volunteer at or not volunteer, but work for like a humane society, because I still gotta pay bills. Like, work at the humane society. I love helping dogs. I love helping people. I love connecting people with I'm walking my dog right now. It's one of the best things I've ever gotten. One of the best things. Love her so much. But there's different things you can do, and find out your why. Find out why you wake up in the morning. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna be depressed or have this situation, and that's probably why you're watching this video. It's like, man, I don't have one. I don't have one. Find out what you like. Like, what is it that, if you could do something right now, what would you like? If it's video games, play video games. There's tons of kids out there that want to learn how to become the better video game player or technology, and that's the new thing. So maybe provide a service to them. You'd be surprised how good you'll feel for providing a service to somebody. So when you go off and you play video games, you're like, man, I'm really good at this, and then maybe do a little bit of teaching. You'd be surprised. But definitely have a purpose. Have something that gets you going, that gets you moving, that you're happy about, that you're proud about. Get some confidence. And before you know it, when you are in that rut, and this, I'm talking a lot based on what I've gone through, but when you're in that rut, you have something to fall back on. It's like, I have to help this person. I have to do this because I'm helping somebody. I'm here and people depend on me. When you get that feeling of dependence, like somebody, it's not necessarily dependence, when somebody wants and values you and your information, values what you're doing, you start having a better outlook on life. You know, you're less depressed, you have less anxiety, you're more of an important person. And feeling important is very important. Yeah, you'd be surprised. I mean, we all want to feel important. We all want to be the center of attention on certain things, and a lot of us introverts will rather we'd like to be acknowledged and then we'll run away. But we still want to be acknowledged. We still want to be important. So when you're out there doing something for somebody else, you are important to that person at that moment. And that is huge. And that's what I loved about firefighting. Go on a call, help out somebody that fell down, or a son called because their mom was really sick. And we show up, we take care of the problem. The son is super happy. He's like, man, thank you guys so much. That right there filled my heart, you know? So when I'm doing these videos for you guys, I'm doing them not because it's my job. I'm doing it because you guys are saying, I need help with this. I need help with this. I read your guys' comments. There's like 200 comments a day. I try to respond to more than half of them a day. It's so hard. But I see it. It's like, I need help with starting on a hill. So I just filmed a video on that. I filmed a video on that yesterday. How to start on a hill. And it's on the training manual, actually, now that it's done. But I do that because you guys have problems, I want to solve them. And that really does help out with my purpose and my depression, anxiety. It gives me something to do. And when I don't have anything to do, when I don't have a purpose, I find something else that I love, or I find something else that gives me a drive and gives me like good feelings, and I do that. Now, that used to be alcohol, that used to be caffeine, like lots of it, because you get that amped feeling, you know, you're not tired. But it used to be some of that stuff, and it's not good. So I started transitioning since last month, and I've drank less. I stopped buying energy drinks, or I pretty much quit them. I still buy some every once in a while, but for the most part, maybe caffeine, like caffeine pills. But I started going on for long walks. I signed up for a half marathon this weekend just to do it, see if I could do it. I started listening to this David Goggins book, Can't Hurt Me. Such a great book, highly recommend it. Link will be in the description. If you want help, listen to that book. You'll get fired up. You will get fired the F up. Love it. Check it out. The first link in the description, and I'll make that my first comment. That book right there motivated the hell out of me. But do something healthy. Get active. Do something. Morning. Go out there and experience nature. Get some calm. Download a meditation app. Get that shit out of your head. Get a purpose. Feel like you have to do something. Get out of bed and help somebody. If you help somebody, it does help you out. Listen to the audiobook. That way you can start working on yourself. But when you help somebody out, it really does put in perspective on kind of what's going on with yourself. Like you see somebody else's problem and you understand that you're dealing with some of that stuff. Let's work on it together then. So it kind of goes back to the same concept of when I teach motorcycle stuff to Nikki or to a group of people, I'm not sitting there like, I know everything. Here you go, do it. I'm sitting there teaching and I'm learning, okay, this is how I should teach. Okay, so this kind of worked with the group, but this didn't, so I won't do that again. So I'm learning at the same time I'm teaching. So when you're teaching and you're helping somebody, you become better yourself. And then at the same time, you need to work on yourself to get even better so that when you teach, you get better. It's like this never-ending cycle of rewards. And that's why I'm taking the MSF Rider Coach program, so I can become better. So when I teach you guys, I become better, you become better, we all become better. And that's kind of what the crew's all about, and that's kind of what having a purpose is all about. Having a purpose isn't to wake up in the morning and just do nothing. Having a purpose is to wake up in the morning and be a productive citizen, to be somebody that is needed, that is important to others. And that's just something that you need to kind of work on. But I just wanted to ramble on while I'm walking my dog. And I just want to say thank you to my crew on Discord. Thank you to my crew on Patreon. You guys pretty much pulled me out of a lot of funks. I've seen you guys pull each other out of a lot of funks. So please join. Get that David Goggins book. And I hope you guys are riding safe, having a great day. and go out and do something, all right? I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.